Hello, this is Amy Kenyon, and this is my video for my math course, Math 1105, with Professor Chuck Newberg. In this video, I am going to be testing if the number 71 is a prime or composite number. I'm going to be testing this by using divisibility test, decomposition techniques, theorems, and the single-digit multiplication facts, as well as multiples of 10. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The first thing I'm going to do is a divisibility test by using prime numbers. I know that I only need to use prime numbers, and I'm going to guess that I only need to go up to 11, just based off of 11 times 7 is 77. So I don't think that I need to go above 11, just based off the fact that 11 times 7 is 77, which is higher than our number we're trying to reach. Okay, so I'm going to start off with 2. I can tell right away that 2 is not going to go into 71 because it's not an even number. So I'm going to go ahead and cross that one off. The next one is 3. We check 3's divisibility test by adding up the digits. 7 and 1 equal 8, which 3 cannot go into 8. So I'm going to go ahead and cross off my 3. The next one is 5. I can tell immediately it is not, it doesn't end in a 0 or a 5. So that's not going to work, as well as any multiples of 10 won't work. So I'm going to go ahead and cross off my 5. The next one is 7. Since we don't have a divisibility test for this one, I'm going to decompose the number into two sums that 7 would go into. So I'm going to go ahead and try 70 plus 1. I know based on my theory, well, first off, 7 does go into 70, yes, but it doesn't go into 1, no. So based off of my theorem, this number is not going to work. I can also break it up again. I can do, we'll do 49. Let's see, 71 minus 49 is 22. So 22 plus 49, I know that 7 will go into 49, but it won't go into 22. So again, based on my theorem, 7 is not going to work for that divisibility test. It will not go into 71. So I'm going to go ahead and cross that one off. The last number I'm going to check is 11. Because I think that's the highest number that I need to go to, just based off 11 times 7 is 77, and that's higher than the number that I'm looking for, and 11 times 6 is 66. So I know right away that there's no number in between 11 times 6 or 11 times 7 is not going to give me 71, so therefore that's not going to work either. So based off my divisibility tests, my decomposing of numbers, and there's no multiples of 10. I could go on to 13 if I wanted, and I could do 13. I can go 6. 13 times 3 is going to be 39. So I can do. So I'd have 39 plus 32, doing another decomposition technique. And I can see right away that 13 is not going to work either based on my theorem, because it does go into 39, but it does not go into 32. So I went a step further and checked my 13, which does not work. Based on these divisibility tests and everything else, based on my divisibility test and my multiplication facts, as well as my multiples of 10, there is no other divisor that will work besides 1 and 71. So in conclusion, based on my testing and my methods that I used in this trying to find out if this is a prime or composite, I'm going to conclude that 71 is indeed a prime number. 71 is a prime. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you have a great night. Bye-bye.